Meaning of feeding frenzy.
Feeding frenzy.
Feeding frenzy.
Feeding frenzy.
Feeding frenzy. Feeding frenzy is a term used to describe a situation in which a group of animals, typically predators, become frenzied while feeding on prey. It can also be used figuratively to describe a situation in which people compete aggressively for a resource, often in a chaotic or uncontrolled manner. The result of a feeding frenzy can be destructive, both for the prey and for the predators involved, as they may fight amongst themselves for access to the food source. In a metaphorical sense, a feeding frenzy may lead to a breakdown in cooperation and an increase in conflict among individuals or groups.